Nothing is happening right now. Oh my god, I can't believe this worked. I'm so glad I got everything I wanted and I share it with you. Unlimited money and unlimited gold all in my account right now. My gaming friends, my name is Steve, and guys, it's my blog today because your boy will be showing you how you can get unlimited money and unlimited gold all in your favorite CarX Street game, guys. Free session only, without download any mode APKs or any softwares. So just make to follow each and every step that your boy implemented in today's tutorial and you'll be having unlimited gold and unlimited money, guys. First step is open up your browser, Safari or Google, doesn't matter, and type in address right here. Next step is search your game or app. Okay, perfect. I find CarX Street and enter your username. Guys, very important. Please enter your username in your CarX Street game or account, of course. Give me a second and select your platform. I select iOS. And a very fun step, guys. Oh my god, select your gold. I select maximum. Why not? And okay, select maximum. Why not? Click on continue and wait for loads up, guys. I find this guy only testing a few times, and once I saw it work perfectly. Okay, click verify device now. Okay, guys. Click on task below and install your app. Or okay, I understand. Download two app and complete questionnaire. Okay, guys, all of this app is from official App Store or Google Play Store and working for both iOS and Android devices within a few simple clicks. Quick type. Don't use VPN, it might not work. Just use home Wi-Fi or any good internet and you'll be fine. Okay. I complete questionnaire and be right back. Okay, guys, your boy complete questionnaire. Next step is download two app. Okay, I installed the TikTok app and run it for 30 seconds and maybe install Opera GX. Okay, I install and be right back. Okay, guys, your boy complete all steps. Complete questionnaire and download two app, TikTok app and Opera GX. Now open up your CarX Street game, guys. CarX Street game is my favorite and I spent a lot of time playing it. Okay, wait for loads up. Okay, perfect. SUV. Okay. Nothing is happening right now. Oh my god, I can't believe this worked. I'm so glad I got everything I wanted and I share it with you. Unlimited money and unlimited gold all in my account right now. Leave a like, share the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.